This question is from section 401, I believe it's number 9, and we're looking at similarities and differences between these two graphs. When I use the click the graph to enlarge and grab the quadratic tool, I need to start with a point that the graph is on, and I usually would use the either vertex or y-intercept. And y-intercept is easy because it's the c value, and so the c value of these graphs is 0, so this thing's going to start right at 0, 0. It also happens to be the vertex of these graphs, and so that's an important feature as well. So if you graph them on decimals first, 1/10 x squared and 10x squared, they both go through 0, 0 as their vertex. So click the 0, 0 point. Now this little pop-up thing happens, and it gives me an opportunity to enter a vertical stretch, horizontal stretch, vertical shift, horizontal shift, and some reflection options. So the A value, the coefficient of A, we know has the ability to stretch and shrink the graph. It is a vertical stretch. And so for the first graph, if it has a 1/10 as its A value, its vertical stretch is 1/10. If it had been a negative 1/10, I would also reflect it over the x-axis. So it's not negative, so I'm going to uncheck that box to have it go up. I'm not going to deal with horizontal stretch or vertical or horizontal shift in this case. We're just having the vertical stretch. And that's what we should be seeing for any question in this section is just the effect of A. I might have to check the reflection box, but just vertical stretch. Same thing's going to happen for the other graph. I'm going to click on its vertex, which is 0, 0, and this one has a vertical stretch of 10. And when I graph the function, I can see that showing up here, and I can save, and I should be able to check my recording windows on top of the submit button, so I'm just going to leave it here. But that's how I can get those two graphs to show up.